What if the secret to flushing harmful waste from your body was already on your dinner plate? We all know fish is good for the heart, but its power to cleanse and support your kidneys is often overlooked. And the wrong choice could secretly be making things worse. The right fish provides clean protein, fights inflammation, and helps your body cleanse naturally. That's why nutritionists frequently recommend it for kidney support. But here's the critical part. Not every fish is created equal for this job. Some can be loaded with minerals that stress your kidneys depending on how they're sourced and cooked. Today, we reveal the 5 best fish to help detoxify and protect your kidneys. The final one on our list is a common supermarket item that most people prepare in a damaging way. Stay until the end to avoid that mistake. 1. Tuna. This is a global favorite, and with careful selection, it can be a powerful ally for kidney health. Tuna is packed with lean, high-quality protein, which is essential for tissue repair, including kidney cells. Unlike fattier meats, it delivers this protein without excessive saturated fat, easing the workload on your kidneys. It's also a source of omega-3 fatty acids. Research shows these fats help lower inflammation and can improve blood pressure control, a key factor in preventing kidney strain. But your choice matters immensely. Opt for fresh tuna or cans marked low sodium. Regular canned tuna is often soaked in salty brine, which forces your kidneys to work harder. Also be mindful of mercury. Larger fish like tuna can accumulate more. Experts suggest limiting portions, with chunk-like tuna generally being a lower mercury option. Preparation is non-negotiable. Skip the heavy mayo and salty seasonings. Instead, use fresh lemon, herbs, and a drizzle of olive oil. Done right, tuna is a detoxifying protein powerhouse. 2. Salmon. Known as a nutritional superstar, salmon truly shines for renal support. Its greatest asset is its incredible omega-3 content. These fats are proven warriors against systemic inflammation, which is a silent contributor to kidney and heart damage. By promoting better circulation and lowering blood pressure, they create a safer environment for your kidneys to function. But there's a catch with salmon that many ignore. Salmon is also an excellent source of those same clean proteins, vital for maintaining muscle without overburdening your system. It's rich in B vitamins and minerals like selenium. However, salmon naturally contains potassium and phosphorus. For individuals with advanced kidney issues, these minerals need monitoring. This makes portion control absolutely critical. A large steak could do more harm than good. Always choose fresh or frozen fillets over smoked or pre-seasoned versions, which are sodium bombs. Cook it by baking or grilling with garlic, dill, and lemon. When consumed in mindful amounts, salmon can be a cornerstone of a kidney protective diet. Always consult your doctor for your ideal serving size. 3. Tilapia. His affordable, mild fish is a common question mark for kidney-conscious eaters. The good news? It can fit into your plan, but with specific rules. Tilapia offers very lean protein, which is easier for your kidneys to process compared to red meat. It provides selenium for immune defense and B vitamins for energy. Its low-fat content makes it a simple base for healthy meals. The considerations are important, though. Tilapia contains phosphorus and potassium. In later stages of kidney disease, managing these levels is crucial. So keeping your portion to about the size of a deck of cards is wise. Also, note that tilapia is lower in those beneficial omega-3 salts than fatty fish. To make it kidney-friendly, never eat it breaded or fried. Bake or grill it with a sprinkle of paprika, onion powder, and a squeeze of lime. Pair it with low-potassium veggies like zucchini. The mantra with tilapia is mindful inclusion, not unlimited consumption. 4. Cod. Fresh cod is a top recommendation from renal dietitians for one main reason: its mineral profile. Cod is naturally lower in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus than many other fish. Managing these 3 is a primary goal in kidney health, making cod a safer, predictable choice. It's another fantastic source of gentle, lean protein that supports tissue repair without excessive waste products. It even contains a modest amount of omega-3 salts for heart and inflammation support. The biggest mistake people make with cod ruins its benefits. You must avoid canned, salted, or smoked versions. The processing adds dangerous amounts of sodium. Stick to fresh or plain frozen fillets. Poach, bake, or broil it with rosemary, black pepper, and a touch of olive oil. Even with this friendly fish, portion control remains key, typically 3 to 4 ounces per serving. Choosing the right fish is a simple step with profound effects on your kidney health. 5. Shellfish. This category, shrimp, crab, clams, requires the most careful strategy. They are packed with high-quality protein, often needed by those undergoing dialysis. They're also rich in zinc, selenium, and vitamin B12. An added bonus, they're low in oxalates, so they don't typically promote kidney stones. But the risks are significant. Shellfish are often high in phosphorus and can be loaded with sodium, especially if pre-cooked, canned, or served in sauces. Some also contain considerable potassium. And never ever consume them raw if you have kidney concerns. The infection risk is too high. To include them safely, a small 3-ounce portion, fully cooked, is the rule. Grill them with garlic and lemon, never butter drenched. This common preparation method turns a potential benefit into a definite harm. So are shellfish off limits? Not necessarily, but they demand a planned approach and professional guidance. Conclusion. Protecting your kidneys doesn't require a complex overhaul. As you've seen, smart seafood choices can reduce inflammation, aid your body's natural detox pathways, and support renal repair. Remember, the fish is just one piece. How much you eat and how you cook it are equally vital. Even the best choice can backfire with oversized portions or heavy salt. Small, consistent dietary upgrades are your strongest long-term defense. Start by integrating these smarter picks, listen to your body, and always partner with your healthcare provider to tailor a plan for you. If this guidance was valuable, please give this video a like. It truly supports our channel, Healthy Lifestyle. Subscribe for more honest, practical health insights. I'd love to hear from you. Which fish will you try first? Drop a comment below. Share your story, it might inspire someone else. And please share this with a friend or family member who could benefit. Thank you for watching and take good care.